and welcome to the part 6 of the Shotgun Assault Rifle Survivor series. So, we are doing the camera problem quest in Southgate Station. That's the last part. They ask you to recharge the rover, the little bot. Don't do it. There's no point. It just runs off and gets demolished, really, by the guy we're gonna ambush next. So it's just waste of your batteries, really. No point. Now the pipes here. The counter straps, they have like cracks in them, I believe. You trigger them and they release toxic gas, which contaminates you. But we can't see them. We can only see these trap detected little signs. So just click past them and your character will automatically go around them. Yeah, click on the area you know safe, and he'll just go all the way around them. Now the next area has, I believe, 3 possible variants. So I was expecting the hostile takeover one, where lurkers overtake this smuggler base. So you would have one hidden there and some bear traps, but we got the worst one. Actually, the most frequent one I get. It's 2 Plasma Sentries. And smugglers ask you for help. They mention their batteries and blah blah blah. And I read on the internet that you can overcharge them by using, your own batteries on them. But the cheap me, nope, I'm not using my batteries. No way. And I think you don't get an experience. I'm not 100% sure, but I think you don't get any experience for these environmental kills. So yeah, we'll be going the old-fashioned bear trap and explode things way. Now, I have to bear trap here. If I do it closer to the stairs or whatever this is, they can actually go around that, get on that ledge to the right of my character, and shoot from there, which is definitely not ideal. So we try to stop them before getting to it. There we go. I engaged one. And the problem with smugglers as well, they are useless. Not only that they don't help you fight these sentries, they actually get in the way because they hear the sound and they stand right next to you. So if you ding them, they all turn hostile, and yeah, got even more bodies to take care of. So we're waiting for the second sentry to come in. They have really strong shields. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's like 350 points. So best thing to do is EMP. Then come in closer and shotgun them to the face. Yeah, the damage is funny at this point in the game. And they actually have quite good armor. So if you're using assault rifle, you would really need a concentrated fire to punch through it. Not entirely sure how this one came in, but better for us. Yeah, the shotguns are really short range. I mean, this one has a long barrel. And look at that. We're, what, 5 tiles away, I believe? Optimal range is like 4 on this. And look at the damage. Yeah. It's an issue. They are too far away, really. Thanks. Son of a bitch. Alright. Yeah, look at that. 1 pellet hit from 9. And target is illuminated. So we get maximum accuracy already. I mean, what the hell? Well, yeah, this is short range. 1 again, yeah. So, that's why you're using assault rifles as a secondary. Because we will have a lot of this while playing. It's not often that you can actually get the enemy right up to you. Or you want an enemy right up to you. So, yeah, we MP them, getting close, and done. Now, you don't need to do any of this to finish the quest. You just need to find out what's going on and just go and report it. But we want to do this area because there are lots of good loot spawns in this. You get a definite lifting belt. And also, for example, this one, we got an energy shield, which you'll see shortly. Now, there's another variant. It's just two guys, 2 lurkers, and these smugglers. They're just kind of dazed, standing around. I think that's the easiest one. So yeah, we did the hardest now. We are on to Elwoods Basement. Now, you can do it early. You can do it before you even do basically the beetle quest. Find Newton. You can get an energy pistol here, but it's unmodified. Oh yeah. Sentry bot just rounded the corner, so we put a bear trap, and it works on sentry bots. But remember, it doesn't work on larger bots, like an industrial bot, so don't bother. Use EMP if you have to use a trap, otherwise an EMP grenade. That's it. These guys can't really hurt us, but they will stun, they will incap, so I just prefer to do them without wasting many turns. Now, only on dominating, the next room will have a sentry bot. Sorry, plasma sentry. And it's already deployed in the plasma mode. You don't want to be hit, basically, for it to start shooting at you. So if you have no stealth and you have to get this done, what you do is, out of stealth, obviously, start combat, open the door, get seen, tuck behind the corner, let it come to you. Then you can EMP it, run away, do whatever. But if you try going into the room itself, there are 3 mines, and I believe Mark II mines at that, and you will explode just trying to get to it. So yeah, let it come to you instead. Yeah, damage. Wow, AP ammo. Yeah, I think I picked up all the low rolls I could get. Really? No. Um, let it come in closer. There you go. Done. Now the mines in the next room, I don't think I have a high enough skill to disarm them. So just check in a low-level grenade. Obviously put the shield on, otherwise I'll do as usual, explode myself. There we go. That's it. It is done. Now the next area, next video, I'll be going to is going to be a silent isle. So I'll see you there. Thank you very much for watching.